Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to convert PDF to Google Sheets. Do you need to turn a PDF into a Google Sheet document? Let's get started. First, open Google Drive and click on New, then select File Upload. Upload the PDF file you want to convert. Once it's uploaded, right-click the file, choose Open With, and then select Google Docs. Google Docs will open the PDF and try to extract the text and tables. Now, if there's a table you need, simply copy it. Then open Google Sheets, create a new spreadsheet, and paste the table right there. You might need to adjust the formatting a little, but it's quick and easy. And just like that, your PDF content is now in Google Sheets, ready for editing and organizing. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.